So we'll begin here by just moving our word down to make space for our second word that we're going to add today. So I'm adding in a word just above here. Now that means in my code I need to move from this one from 6 to about -60. Let's just double click that. Yeah, that's where that letter's going to go. So there's two places in each code. The down arrow, which is where we glide back. So I'm typing -60. Now I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to select it by dragging across it and then Control-C to copy. Make sure I've done it in both places. And then I just need to manually go through, find where I'm going to. My Y value is now going to be -60. So that when I press the space key, these two have done already, so they've moved to where they should be. Let's find the I. So when space key pressed, this is like our initialization. And I'm just doing now Control and V and pasting them to where they need to be. And this will just take a few seconds just to make sure that my letters start where I want them to. And when I press the space key, they jump back to where they should be. That's really useful when we're building this project. And also when I press the down arrow, they'll glide back slowly to where they should be too. Let's give that a test. So space key, good. Up key, they go to a random place. Down, they glide to where they should be. Great. Then let's see. Now I'm going to choose the letters I want. And I'm going to bring in the word scratch here. So I'm going letters again. I'm going to bring them in turn just to keep things logical. So I'm going to bring in the C next. So my thing is going to say scratch animation. That's the word I'm building here today. Now you can just click on that, or you can go to the choose a sprite. They both do the same thing basically here. Then I'm looking for the T. Scratch. Let's bring in another C, and you'll notice that this one's now called C2. C1 and C2. It's important that we get those in the right order when we lay our word out. And then we'll bring in the H here. So let's just put them out now. This is which one? That's C1. So that's going to go towards the start. That's H. That's C2. So I'm just building my word out here now. Scratch. And that's about going to fit, I think, without any resizing. Depending on your word, you might need to resize that word. But I'm going to pop mine here. And that's about right.